This is the first video in which I actually speak, which is a little bit scary because English is not my native language, but I'm sure you can all listen past the Dutch accent and all that. I wanted to share this information with you and I hope it will be helpful. I wanted to experiment with the mandolin tuning on a ukulele. So I was looking on YouTube for a video of someone to show me how to do that. And I couldn't really find what I was looking for. So I decided to figure it out for myself. Then I have a mandolin here. And I have to tell you, I'm not a mandolin player. I have this one and I was planning on learning it, which I will, but I haven't done it yet. I know a few chords, that's it. But the tuning kind of made sense to me because I also play guitar, and actually the tuning is a guitar upside down. So this is the E, A, D, G. And then I was looking on the internet on what strings I should use on the uke to do that. And there are actually strings for sale for that tuning, but you can also do it with the strings that you have. And what you need to do then is switch these two. This one is normally your A and this is your E, but you have to switch them. So this is your E, and then your A. And then we come to the big fat C string. You have to tune that one up to a D. And it's only one up, so you can handle that. Your neck won't fly up or something. And then this is your normal G. So there you have it. That's your mandolin tuning. Well, it sounds a little different, of course. But you can hear it's the same tuning. And then you have to figure out some chords, of course, because the chord shapes are different. And as I said, I know a few chords, but I need to experiment a little bit more with that. So there you have it. So, and what do we have here? I also wanted to know what a mandola was. So I was looking on the internet what the mandola tuning is, what it actually is. And a mandola is a slightly bigger mandolin. When you have the soprano uke and the concert uke, of course the tunings are the same. But with a mandolin, the mandola is tuned a fifth down. So the distances between the notes are the same, but the tuning is lower. You can also use the regular ukulele strings for that. But instead of switching these two, you're switching these two. So this is your A. This is your E string tuned one down to a D. This is your normal G, which is normally here, but now it's here. And this is your normal thick fat C. It's sort of a alto mandolin. You could call it an alto mandolin. And the chord shapes are the same, but well, it's a different. It's a fifth down. So the shapes are the same, but it's different chords. So I need to experiment with that too to really know what I'm doing. Well, anyway, I hope this video was helpful to you, and have fun with switching your strings and just experimenting. I will. I hope to see you some other video, and I'm planning on experimenting some more with string tunings, and I'm gonna make a new video of that. So see you next time. Bye.